In this video, let's discuss my brand. This is super crucial because you don't want your brand to change for every single video. So once you set this up, creating these videos is going to be super easy. So what we want to do is make sure that this right here is enabled. On YouTube, you can add in a message, basically a description that applies to every single video that you post. So you can add in description like this. You can add in your links by adding a link right here, or if you want to delete one, you can build an email list. You can sell other people products. You can sell your own services and products. Doesn't matter what it is that you're doing, you can add that in here. The second thing is if you're building multiple channels, you can add in your handle for different channels right in here. And then right in here, you have the preview. Now we are going to customize how your brand is going to look like. So right here, you have a multiple voiceovers. If you want to hear how the voice sounds, click on this.
In a world obsessed with noise, the quiet ones hold a power most people will never understand.
For me, I like Brian for male voice, and for female, I like Sarah and Laura. That's just my preference, but you're welcome to listen to all of these. Make sure you click on Save as Brand Default, and then we're going to move over to Media. Now, here you can choose Stock, B-roll, AI generated. You can upload your own. For example, if you're building your own brand, you can upload yourself 5-minute video, and you can have that same background for every single story that you put out there. And you can have animated background. We already uploaded these. So for stock footage, just choose this. But whatever it is that you do, don't change from stock footage to AI to my uploads to animated background. You want to stay within same niche because that works better for every single platform. You can also select auto as a character, or you can go with male or female. So let's just say I wanted for this one to use AI images. I want it to be male and I want it to be realistic clip. And I just click on Save Brand Default. Then you have music. You click on this right in here. I like the volume to be very low, so I normally go with 6%. I choose the one that I want, or you can select none. Again, save as brand default. Click on transition. I prefer fade or dissolve. In my case, I'm going to leave it as fade. Click on save brand default. Captions. You have multiple choices right here. You have this right here, this, and this. You can play with the size. You can play with thickness. You can choose the highlight. You can choose the animation. And I always prefer center because I've noticed that center gets the most attention with users. And again, you want to click on Save as Brand Default. You can upload your logo right in here. I have my Real Transformer logo right in here. You can click on Save Brand Default if you wanted to. You don't have to have a logo. You can. The point is to get the stories to blow up as much as possible, right? Once you're done with this, you are ready to create the video. So we're going to go back to the dashboard right in here, and I'll see you in the next video explaining how to create your videos.